Hey you guys, I'm George and Ace behind the camera today,
Hello.
and we have a really cool video for you. It's about science meets religion, or should say, how can science prove if there is a God, or what is a God? So that's the topic of discussion in this video. I hope you like it and check out our merch right here. Please like and subscribe, and let's get on with the show. Science and cosmology are two bodies of knowledge that drive the advancements, the technological advancements of our Western civilization today. But can these two fields of knowledge go beyond their physical boundaries into the metaphysical realm to explain the existence of a supreme being, what the Bible calls God? There is an age-old question that is asked of scientists. How can a scientist believe or even prove that there is something called God? Is there something metaphysical acting in the world, producing or creating the world? The irony is that science has already discovered God. Even hardline atheists will have to admit this to be true. Well, how would that be? NASA has something called WMAP. These are the initials of a satellite. It's a diagram that shows the development of the universe from creation over time. It's basically a timeline. It is the up-to-date knowledge of the scientific community of how the universe was created and how the universe got to where we are today. Each of the vertical lines is another billion years. We start with burst of energy from the left of the diagram, and we end up on the far end with the oval shape. So the oval shape indicates an expansion in all directions. So since it's a timeline, it cannot be displayed on a single two-dimensional view, but you get the idea. We see here, most amazingly, that on the extreme left edge, it shows a beginning to the universe. 50 plus years ago, this was not the accepted point of view, and all who would have theorized as such would lose their reputation. This already starting to sound like what the Bible says. Think about it. Up until 50 years ago, the majority scientific view was that the universe is eternal. It was always there. There was never a beginning, and the Bible was wrong from the very first sentence. In 1964, two astronomers, Robert Woodrow Wilson and Arno Allen Penzias, discovered a cosmic microwave background radiation. It is the echo of the Big Bang, the energy left over from the Big Bang. Now, overnight, the Bible now got it right. There was a beginning to the universe. The black in the diagram, all around, is a nothing. It is not a vacuum. Vacuum is within the diagram, within that cone of expansion. Vacuum is empty space, and space is something. The black around the diagram is nothing. It does not fit into our human brain because humans think in a box made up of time, space, matter / energy. No human being, as clever as they may be, as open-minded as they may be, thinks outside that box. So when we say nothing, it is the nothing that we cannot conceive. It does not fit into the human brain. How then are we going to have the idea if there is a God or not? Notice that the creation force is not a three-letter word, G-O-D. It is quantum fluctuation. Okay, let's define what is quantum fluctuation. Quantum fluctuation is the temporary random change in the amount of energy at a point in space of particles, electrons, photons, nuclear, gravity, and electromagnetic forces. That understanding was first brought down by scientists about 40 plus years ago. In other words, what these scientists were saying is that the universe allows creation of something from nothing provided that you have the laws of nature, quantum fluctuation. Listen to this again. You can create something from absolute nothing, providing that you have the laws of nature. That's quantum physics and the laws of relativity. Let's see what science has discovered. We can create the universe from absolute nothing, provided that we have the laws, forces of nature. These laws / forces of nature are not physical. They act on the physical. So if they create the universe, that means they predate the universe. So now we have a set of forces, we call them the laws of nature, that are not physical, able to act on the physical. They create the physical from absolute nothing. And they predate the universe, which means they predate our understanding of time. Put all that together. That sounds familiar. That is the biblical definition of God. Even science has to agree here. God is not a physical being. God acts on the physical. God is a force, and it creates the universe from nothing. God is outside time. God predates time. In the opening chapter of Genesis, the only name for God is Elohim, God as manifest in the universe. Science has indeed discovered the biblical God. Now, the question is, that which created the universe, is it active in the universe? The fact that you're watching this video establishes that point. After all, if the laws of nature did not cultivate this moment in time, would you be here watching this? Thanks for watching our video, guys. I hope you liked it, and there'll be one more or two more videos on this topic of spirituality and science and God, so stay tuned. And if you have any topics you want us to discuss, please let us know. Don't forget to like, check out our merch, subscribe to our channel, and take care. If you like to see more videos like this, please consider supporting our work by visiting the Zen Shadows website at www.zenshadows.com. It is a rapidly growing clothing line designed by Ava and myself to enhance the meditative experience. So the seeker, the practitioner will actually embody by wearing the symbol that they're meditating upon on their clothes as themselves, and this way the meditative process, the alchemical process, gets internalized, and it does really work in terms of enhancing the meditation. So with that being said, check this out.
Very smoothly. My arms just look through very easily. It's very beautifully designed. And it's very comfortable. You can wear it anywhere. You can sleep with it.
So thank you guys so much for joining us here. This was a small taste of things to come. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to leave your comments and questions as well. We read them all. Best of luck, stay safe, stay connected, and we'll see you guys in the next video.